So let's see today's delicious prawns rice recipe. Now here I have pre-cooked 1 cup of rice. I will leave the instructions in the description box as to how I made that. You don't have to completely cook the rice. They have to be just about done. And then you're going to drain all the excess water like this by keeping it over a colander. And then you'll get this lovely rice where the grains are separate and they're not mushed up. Now I'm going to be deveining and washing the prawns. So 1 cup of prawns I'm going to be using for this prawn rice. So, devein it very well, wash it very well and set it aside like this. Then I'm going to sprinkle about half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Here the prawns are nice and dry. So after you wash them, just put them on a kitchen napkin and just wipe them completely dry. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of malvani masala, or you get fish masala. This is ready made. Just sprinkle that over the prawns. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some salt to taste and about half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. And then I'm also going to sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of rice flour and set this aside. First, mix everything very well, and then we're going to set this aside for 15 minutes to marinate, 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. And after that, you're just going to heat about a tablespoon of oil in a pan and just fry these prawns really, really well till they are nice and golden brown. So they should look like this once they're really done. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. And the prawns should really fry very well like this. And then I'm just going to put the heat off and just garnish it with some fresh coriander. So this is the prawns part of it, which is ready. So just mix all of that really well and just set it aside. And now to prepare the simple prawn rice. In a large pan, I'm going to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I'm going to add this rice that we prepared and mix everything really well. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of kokum or amsol juice. All I did is I took 3 to 4 kokums and soaked them in about 4 tablespoons of water. And once I extracted the juice, I added that. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and mix everything really well. And then all you have to do is, this is the rice, you just add the prawns to it, mix it really well, and your simple prawn rice is all ready. This is really very easy to prepare, gets ready also very quickly, and it's super delicious. So do give this a try. And I also have another prawn recipe, which is a prawn chili fry. So I'll leave a link to that below. That also is very delicious. As well as I have a link to my surmai fry or kingfish masala fry. I'll leave a link to that. So you can go and check out these recipes. Thank you so much for being here.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.